Final countdown starts now as we dive into the best Husqvarna chainsaws lineup, delivering power, balance, and precision for any job you've got on the haul. From compact models for easy maneuverability to rugged beasts that can tame the toughest logs, this list has something for every pro and weekend warrior alike. Today, I'm going to be going over the best Husqvarna chainsaws that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Husqvarna 460 Rancher. This model stands out in the mid-size, all-around category because it blends serious cutting performance with user-friendly features that make everyday lumber work feel approachable. Built as a workhorse for homeowners who occasionally tackle larger limbs, storm cleanup, or long firewood sessions, the 460 Rancher delivers a robust gas-powered experience without sacrificing maneuverability. Chassis is designed for durability in tough conditions, with a sturdy engine housing and a balanced layout that reduces fatigue during extended cuts. One of the core strengths is its air injection system, which keeps the air filter cleaner longer and minimizes the amount of dust that can reach the carburetor. This translates into easier starts and steadier performance after long days in the shed or in the field. The engine technology, often marketed as X-Torque or similar, focuses on better torque delivery and lower emissions, so you can work efficiently without needing to gas up constantly. Smart Start features help with a quick, reliable pull start even after a long break, and the absence of heavy resistance in the starting process makes handling smoother for newcomers and veterans alike. Automatic chain oiling system keeps the chain lubricated as you work, which prolongs bar and chain life and reduces defensive maintenance tasks. The quick-release chain tensioner, combined with toolless adjustment, means you can keep the chain aligned and tight without special tools, which is a real time saver when you're switching between bars or adjusting after a long, fast cut. Anti-vibration dampeners are standard, as are an inertia-activated chain brake for safety and predictable performance when you encounter kickback. The bar length range offered with this model allows you to push into larger wood piles or reach further into dense brush, while still staying within a manageable weight budget for a mid-range saw. In practice, this means you can switch from pruning to felling with confidence, and the 460 Rancher remains steady on uneven ground thanks to a thoughtful grip design and a well-balanced handle setup. The overall experience hinges on reliability and continuous cutting power, two factors that Husqvarna has built into this machine through proven components and widely available parts. Paired to the Savior H23-66, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Husqvarna 460 Rancher delivers broader bar length compatibility and a deeper reserve of cutting torque for thicker limbs and longer sessions, making it a more versatile option for serious home yard work. At number 4, we have the Savior H23-66. This compact performer is positioned as a budget-friendly choice that foregrounds simplicity and essential functionality without some of the higher-end refinements found on premium models. It is well suited for light to moderate trimming, firewood prep, and occasional storm cleanup, where a smaller tool can be quicker to deploy and easier to handle in tight spaces. Design emphasizes a balanced, approachable weight with a manageable grip that helps new users build confidence as they learn basic sawing technique. You will notice a straightforward carburation system, which keeps the maintenance straightforward, but may require closer attention to tune for temperature changes and altitude shifts. Safety features are present in the form of a chain brake and chain catcher, and the oiler is designed to deliver consistent lubrication to the bar during use, albeit with a smaller oil reservoir than larger models. This makes it particularly attractive for buyers who want a capable saw without paying for high-end acceleration or advanced torque management systems. The overall performance leans toward predictability rather than peak power, which is perfectly adequate for smaller jobs and less demanding wood-cutting tasks. Weight distribution is typically lighter than larger models, so you'll find that maneuvering the Savior H23-66 in cramped spaces is more straightforward. User experience benefits from simple maintenance tasks and shorter there and back from the shed cycles that reduce downtime between projects. Compared to the Husqvarna 450 Rancher, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Savior H23-66 offers a friendlier price point and a lighter frame, but it trails in raw cutting speed and bar length options when you push into thicker timber and longer sessions. At number 3, we have the Husqvarna 450 Rancher. This mid-range powerhouse occupies the sweet spot for many homeowners and semi-professionals who need reliable performance without stepping up to the heavier professional gear. 450 Rancher is typically built around a robust, mid-sized displacement that provides a strong torque curve suitable for demanding tasks like felling small to medium trees, firewood prep, and cleanup after storms. You'll find an air injection system that keeps air cleaner and the carburetor free of debris. which translates into more consistent starts and fewer interruptions during a long cut. The engine is designed for efficient operation, with an emphasis on responsive throttle control and reliable power delivery across a wide range of working conditions. Ergonomic design features, including well-placed vibration dampeners and a comfortable handle setup, help reduce fatigue during long sessions, while the chain brake and safety features contribute to peace of mind in dynamic cutting environments. The automatic oiling system ensures the chain stays lubricated through the entire cut, which not only improves efficiency, but also extends bar and chain life. Bar length options commonly range from 16 to 20 inches, offering versatility when you transition from pruning to larger trunks, or when you need extra reach in brushy terrain. Serviceability is a strong point, with toolless chain tensioning and accessible air filter sections that make routine maintenance straightforward for non-professional users. Compared to the Husqvarna 130, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the 450 Rancher delivers more torque and larger bar options, enabling quicker progress on tougher jobs while still retaining a user-friendly footprint for everyday use. At number 2, we have the Husqvarna 130. This model is the compact entry point into gas-powered cutting, designed primarily for light cutting, trimming, and small firewood tasks around the property. The 130 balances portability with practicality, offering a lighter weight and a shorter bar range that makes it ideal for beginners learning proper technique and for homeowners who don't need a full-size saw for routine maintenance. The engine is sized to provide predictable, manageable performance without overwhelming new users with torque that can be difficult to control. You'll still enjoy essential safety and reliability features, including an automatic chain oiler, a chain brake, and a toolless tensioning system that makes routine adjustments straightforward. The air filter is accessible for quick cleaning, which helps maintain performance in dusty environments. A compact, ergonomic handle design keeps control intuitive, and vibration dampening helps reduce fatigue during longer sessions. Bar lengths available for the 130 tend to skew toward shorter options, commonly in the 12 to 16-inch range, allowing precise work in tighter spots and near structures where a larger machine would feel unwieldy. Price-conscious buyers appreciate the efficiency and simplicity of this model, which makes the 130 a sensible stepping stone for learning proper cutting technique while still delivering dependable results for occasional home use. Compared to the Husqvarna 350i, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the 130 is lighter and more affordable but lacks cordless operation, so you'll be limited by fuel availability and running time when you push into longer projects or remote sites. At number 1, we have the Husqvarna 350i. This is a standout in the cordless segment, combining the convenience of battery power with a compact form factor that makes it feel almost like a mid-size gas saw in everyday use. 350i is powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers smooth throttle response, reliable startup, and clean operation with zero exhaust fumes. You can expect excellent balance and minimal vibration, which translates into a comfortable handling experience during extended cutting sessions. The absence of a cord and the absence of fumes makes it ideal for indoor or enclosed space trimming, as well as quiet property maintenance where noise considerations matter. Battery and charging system are designed for quick swaps and rapid recharges, so you spend more time cutting and less time tethered to a charger. Compatibility with standard bar lengths around 14 to 16 inches provides versatility for precise pruning or mid-range felling tasks, and the toolless tensioning and automatic oiler make routine maintenance less of a chore. Soft start features and efficient power delivery help you control delicate cuts in windy or uneven conditions, and the overall footprint is smaller than many gas options while still offering solid cutting performance for lighter to moderate workloads. Compared to the Husqvarna 460 Rancher, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the 350i provides quieter operation, zero emissions, and simpler startup, but you trade off extended runtime and raw cutting speed for continuous tasks that last many hours.